To complete, the 2020 census continues, and leaders in the Hispanic community want to make sure that their voices are being heard. News 8's Dana White is live in studio control for us this morning. Dana, what's the message from Hispanic leaders that they're sharing this morning?
Casey, the purpose of the 2020 census is to count every person in the United States for things such to help with funding for things such as schools, hospitals, and even roads. And although some people believe there is a negative stigma surrounding filling it out, officials at the Hispanic Center of Western Michigan want to assure their community that it's safe and they're there to help.
It is crucial that we get that information out to our government so that our communities can be well funded and well represented.
When it comes to filling out the 2020 census, Daniela Rojas says for the Hispanic community, it's not always easy.
There are barriers that include language barriers, poverty. Then there's, of course, the complexity of where people live. And then, of course, we have our undocumented population where there's still some sort of fear about the confidentiality of the information.
And with COVID-19 limiting public gatherings, this has made it even more difficult.
It was the intention for the Hispanic Center to turn into a hub where people would have access to the technology needed in order to complete the census.
But there are still resources available. Rojas says the center is now using its food distribution events to keep the public informed by handing out flyers and answering questions.
It's extremely important to be represented in the United States and to have an accurate account of who is living here, especially the Latino community, because we are one of the fastest growing demographics.
The census is a short survey that asks questions such as how many people live in your household, your date of birth, and your race. There is no citizenship question on the form, and it remains confidential with the Census Bureau, with even the FBI and other government agencies not having the legal right to access your information. Rojas says it's a great way to gain access to billions of dollars in federal funding.
Accessibility to health care, down to roads, and then most importantly, schools.
So she says, plain and simple, to fill it out.
We want to be represented. We want to have that funding. This is 10 questions, 10 minutes, and then it's funding for 10 years, so we don't want to miss that.
If you still need to fill out the 2020 census, we have a link to their website on woodtv.com. You can do it online, by phone, or by mail. Reporting live in studio control, Dana White, News 8.